Okay, I'm, I'm making this video, number one, because I'm showing one of my editors how to do it, but I figured it can't hurt showing other people how to do it because this is very valuable information that you guys can have and that will help you propel your business with these type of ads. So what I'm going to be going over today is making talking character videos. I've done this before, but with the Miro board, but I think people didn't really understand because you kind of need like visual explanations, right? So as I mentioned before, with the Miro board, it's ChatGPT plus Prompt Cowboy plus Clean 2.6. I'm going to be blurring most of this stuff out because I don't want to leak my product. So the first thing that you guys need to do, and this is not copy paste, this comes with the experience, but you can do this pretty easily. So I go over to ChatGPT and hold on. Okay, I go over to ChatGPT and okay, sorry, my bad, guys. So once I'm in ChatGPT, I'm like, so sorry guys, I'm getting super distracted right now with my phone going off. Once you're in ChatGPT, I'm gonna save you guys time and just not use Prompt Cowboy today because it's gonna take up a lot of storage on my laptop and it's gonna heat up. So for the sake of this video, we're gonna start off with Nano Banana making the character. Okay, so sometimes I give it reference images. So I'll pull that up right now. 1 second. Again, I'm gonna blur a lot of this out. Okay, so this is the kind of the concept that I want to follow. Not concept, the format I want to follow. I usually take a screenshot of the image and I give it to ChatGPT. And now that it has it, I'm gonna write something like, "We will be making characters like the image I attached. We will be using Nano Banana for making the characters, which at one point we will take to Cling 2.6 and have them talking. For now, we do not need the scripts for the dialogue." I don't know if I'm spelling that right. Dialogue. I just need you to provide me with the prompts for Nano Banana to make me characters like this with a face. The reference image shows a talking nose and it's frustrated. What we will do is what are we gonna do? So this is where the brainstorming comes in. Again, this is actually what I'm going to be doing. Okay, this is what I'm going to be doing for an ad that I'm going to be making. Okay, although I'm not going to do the whole thing because that would take this video like an hour and a half, but so you guys can get the idea. What we would be doing, so let's say for this one we want a throat to be talking. A throat to be talking. No, a throat character with a face like the reference image, and then you guys can add whatever other details you guys want it to have. So we will also have the throat salivating mucus, and look frightened and frustrated. Make me several prompts for different styles and backgrounds. Okay, then enter. So again, guys, this comes with initiative. Okay, it takes a lot of initiative to be able to do something like this. Don't expect AI to do everything. That's one thing I noticed that a lot of people make the mistake on, thinking AI is going to do all the work for them. Okay, so this is what it gave me. Create a hyper-realistic 3D animation character with a human throat. Okay, so once it gives you this, you can take it. And then, so one thing you guys can do, if you guys don't, because this is going to take a lot of credits from your Higgsfield account, because it takes a lot of trial and error. So what you guys can do is just click on this unlimited, and you don't use any of your credits. So just paste that in, and I will be back when it makes me the generations. Okay, so I just made 2 variations for the meantime because my computer's heating up. So once you have this, guys, so you get whichever variant you think looks the best, right? In this case, let's use I like this one. Okay, so you download it, and then from there, let it download. Okay, once it's downloaded, you will take the reference image and give it to ChatGPT and say,
this is what we were able to make. Now we need the dialogue for the character. The character will be saying, and then you input what it should say, and then you add what emotion you want it to have. Okay, it should sound sad/frightened because of the infection it has. Okay, so let's say for the argument's sake, let's say I'm your throat and I suffer from mucus because you keep using temporary solutions like nasal sprays and tissues. Okay, and then enter. And then, so I'm not gonna do it here again because it should be self-explanatory, right? Wait, okay, so obviously it messed up, okay, so because I didn't give it all of its all the info. You need to make me the prompt for me to give it to Higgsfield Cling 2.6 so that it can animate this character to talk the dialogue we mentioned. Okay, so once it's done with that, once it's done with that, it's gonna give it a prompt. Okay. It looks like it messed up again. So, again, like I said, this takes a lot of trial and error. So it will be something like, you need to have the dialogue
inside the prompt so I can copy and paste it into Cling 2.6. Actually, no. Sorry. C Dance 1.5 Pro. So to make our character motion, animated, and have the dialogue we mentioned. Okay, I forgot, guys. It's Cdance 1.5 Pro. Okay, I've found that Cdance makes the best. What do you call it? Animates the dialogue into your character the best. Kling 2.6 also works fine, but sometimes it like does it all laggy and stuff. So you take this, you just copy it, go over back to Higgsfield, and then from here you you go to video, and then down to Cdance, where's Cdance? Cdance 1.5 Pro. Okay, pro-graded audio visual sync. Okay, from there, you guys just put in the reference image and the prompt. It does take a lot of credits, but then again, it does a really high quality video. So it does need a start frame, which is the reference image that you guys just made. So you take it, put it in here, and then from there, let me see, erase this. And then you put, then you just make sure everything is good. The aspect ratio, the time. That's something you also have to consider. You can tell ChatGPT this is for max 12-second video. Also, another thing to consider is telling ChatGPT the max amount of characters / letters you can put is 2,500 because that's the max that Cdance 1.5 Pro allows. And then it spits out the thing you guys need. I hope this helps, and if it does, I'm glad. All right, guys, I'll see you.